Hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is energy density of electromagnetic wave. See student, electromagnetic wave propagate along the x-axis. E is equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t, and magnetic induction B, which is equal to B naught sine kx minus omega t, where E naught is the maximum electric field and B naught is the maximum magnetic field. So in the next one, energy in a capacitor UE is equal to 1 by 2 CV square, that is electrical energy student. So electrical energy equation in which I am going to replace the value UE, which is equal to half into C value is A epsilon naught by D, that is parallel plate capacitor. And next EVD relation, E is equal to V divided by D and V is equal to ED, so that V value replaced as ED whole square student. And continuation, UE, which is equal to half A epsilon naught divided by D E square into D square. D and D square is get cancelled, so volume is equal to area into length student. This I can write as volume. See now, continuation, UE, which is equal to half epsilon naught E square into V student. And also I am going to find the magnetic energy, that is UB, which is equal to half L I square. Okay, so that UB, which is equal to half into L value is mu naught N square AL, that is coefficient of self induction, and B is equal magnetic induction of solenoid mu naught Ni. So I is equal B divided by mu naught into N. Replacing in this equation here, I value written as B square divided by mu naught square into N square. Try to understand here. N square is get cancelled. UB, which is equal to half into mu naught B square divided by mu naught square into AL student. AL give the volume. Mu naught and mu naught square is get cancelled, so that I am getting here UB, which is equal to half B square divided by mu naught into volume V student. So total energy U, which is equal to UE is half epsilon naught E square V student plus UB value is half B square divided by mu naught into V. Here we represent volume student. And continuation step I can write here energy density student. What is that? Energy density. Energy per unit volume is written as energy density, so that U divided by V common RHS side, that is half into epsilon naught E square plus half into B square divided by mu naught student. Okay, so this is clear information about the energy density. Energy density is equal to energy divided by volume student. So total energy density, which is equal to energy density of electric field plus energy density of magnetic field, so that energy density is energy per unit volume, already written clearly. Okay, so magnetic energy density is magnetic energy per unit volume, so that the values are replacing here, that is small u is the total energy density, which is equal to this value only writing here, of epsilon naught E square plus of B square divided by mu naught, student. Okay, so now I can write this is equation number 1. E value and B value I am going to replace, where E is equal to, this is U, which is equal to of epsilon naught. E value is E naught sine kx minus omega t whole square is there. That's why I am writing E naught square and sine square omega t minus kx plus half into B value I am replacing here, student. So B value is B naught sine kx minus omega t whole square is there. That's why B naught square sine square divided by mu naught. Average over a long time, sine square kx minus omega t become half 1 by 2, student. So that is replacing in the above equation, so that we will get U is equal to half epsilon naught E naught square sine square kx minus omega t is half plus this remaining value is half B naught square divided by mu naught into sine square kx minus omega t is half, student. Okay, so one more step also we can write U is equal to 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 epsilon naught E naught square plus 1 by 4 B naught square divided by mu naught. This is I can write as equation number 2, student. So in this equation the value we can replace ERMS is equal to E naught by 2, BRMS is equal to B naught by 2. Modifying this equation, U which is equal to half into epsilon naught E naught by root 2 whole square. See, student, E naught square by 2, I am writing E naught by root 2 whole square plus half into B naught divided by root 2 whole square into 1 by mu naught, student. And the value replacing we will get U which is equal to half epsilon naught E RMS whole square plus half into B RMS whole square divided by mu naught. This is equation number 3, students. Energy density of the electrical energy is equal to energy divided by volume, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E naught square, student. From the basic equation, velocity of light is equal to E naught divided by B naught. So the value from this, E naught is equal to cross multiplication C into B naught is replaced in the above equations. UE is equal to 1 by 4 into epsilon naught. E naught value is C B naught, student, but E naught square is there, that's why C square B square, student. Okay, so in this equation we can replace C is equal to 1 divided by root over mu naught epsilon naught. Squaring on both sides, C square is equal to 1 divided by mu naught epsilon naught is replaced in the above equation, so that UE which is equal to 1 by 4 into epsilon naught C square value is 1 by mu naught into epsilon naught get cancelled into B naught square, student. So that UE which is equal to 1 by 4 B naught square divided by mu naught. This is I can written equation number 4, student. And also magnetic energy UB is equal to 1 by 4 B naught square by mu naught, student. but energy per unit volume give the magnetic energy density UB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught B naught square divided by mu naught. I can write it is equation number 5, student. From the both equations we can write equation 4 is equal to equation 4 equal to equation 5, so that UE which is equal to UB which is equal to 1 by 4 B naught square divided by mu naught is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon naught into B is square, student. So from equation number 2, U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught U is equal to 1 by 4 into epsilon naught E naught square plus 1 by 4 into B naught square by epsilon naught. This is U is equal to, already I gave UE plus UB, student, but we got from equation 4 and 5 UE is equal to UB, student, that is equal to 2UE, or we can write UE is equal to 2UE is equal to 2UB, student. So that U which is equal to 2 into UE value and UB value is replacing from this equation clearly. UE and UB value replaced there clearly. Okay, so that 2 get cancelled once, 2 times, once, 2 times, student. So that I can write U which is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E naught square plus 1 by 2 B naught square divided by mu naught I got. So again rearranging epsilon naught E naught square by 2 1 by mu naught B naught square by 2, that U is equal to epsilon naught E naught by root 2 whole square 1 by mu naught B naught by root 2 whole square, student. So E naught by root 2 is ERMS and B naught by root 2 is BRMS. So finally we are getting energy density, total energy density, that is ERMS whole square plus 1 by mu naught into BRMS whole square. See, student, this is very clear information I wrote step by step and clearly, student. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.